has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Union County, Illinois, Northwestern Pope County, Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, Southeastern Williamson County, Illinois, Southwestern Saline County, Illinois, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Goreville to 9 miles east of Anita near Dongola, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vienna, Goreville, Lake of Egypt area, Dixon Springs, Stone Fort, New Burnside, Buncombe, and Simpson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 37 and 43. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Johnson, Pope, Saline, Union, and Williamson.